Hello, my name is Denis from my agency is Media Components. Our niche is home healthcare agencies. We help agencies scale their business in regards to senior and home care services. Right before I joined Seven Figure Agencies, we were at about 20 clients. We were averaging of $45,000 to $50,000 a month MMR. So right now we just hit our Seven Figure Agencies. We're scaling up to be close to 86,000 MMR. Thanks to Seven Figure Agencies. So before joining Seven Figure Agency, I also have a legacy general agency running digital marketing strategies for all different industries. We really didn't have a robust automated SOPs. We were just running it as we go, learning from our mistakes. After joining Seven Figure Agencies and following the roadmap, utilizing all the Josh's strategies to automate the lead process, do the SOPs, and just overall taking myself out of the business, hiring the right positions to replace me really allowed me to step aside from day to day and focus on the strategy and focus on the niche and really scale up this way. The main challenge before joining Seven Figure Agency is I had little time to focus on the business because I was doing day to day and putting out fires, doing the sales call, doing a little bit of fulfillment. I was basically doing a lot of manual processes. When I joined Seven Figure Agency, it kind of opened up my eyes into what successful agencies are doing and what I should implement within my agency to allow me to free up my time and focus on important things like doing JVs, going to industry expos, and focusing on strategic partnerships, which allowed me to scale my agency. So ever since I joined Seven Figure Agency, we really deep dived into all the processes. We were able to create SOPs for onboarding, client retention, and the sales. We actually grew different departments within our niche agency, which now work like clockworks, thanks to Josh's systems and the roadmap and implementation. But the main thing we implemented, which allow us to scale really fast, are the automations. We send up to the marketing automation platforms. We use things like Go High Level for our agency and our clients, and that has been really the key to our success. Ever since scaling my agency with Seven Figure Agency membership, it allowed me to have more financial freedom to spend time with my family. It allows me to really sit down and focus strategically to grow the agency, where I took myself out from day to day busy work, and now I can go to events, I can do more public speaking engagements, and I have time to really focus strategic planning of how to grow my company. In the next 6 to 12 months, I made a goal to grow my company 25%. I really want to focus on more JVs, joint ventures with associations. I'm planning to partner up with different franchises to really exponentially grow the client base, and also work on bringing in more talent to scale up the agency procedures and just optimizing the fulfillment of our services. If you're thinking about joining Seven Figure Agency, I highly recommend it. I wish I'd done this much sooner because it opened up my eyes to a lot of potential that I haven't seen before within my agency. But one thing that I really enjoy is the accountability, the coaches, and the community. There's a great Facebook groups. There's these events that Josh puts together twice a year. It's been priceless. So if you're thinking about doing it, don't hesitate and join as soon as possible. So the most valuable component for Seven Figure Agency, I think, is the community. You have a lot of resources that allow you to scale your agency by working with peers that already gotten results that you can expect. There's 7 and 8 figure agencies that follow the plan, follow the roadmap, and achieve results. So if you're thinking about joining, I highly recommend it.